traders, and a happy new week as well. As it's a brand new month and a brand new week, it's time for brand new setups. I hope you had a good trading week last week. Last week ended out as flat for the forecasted pairs, so I even had to look elsewhere for better price action. Let us recap on what we had for last week before we come on to what we have for this week. Last week on the watch list were the gold, the GBP AUD, and the Euro AUD. So for the gold, I was looking for a breakout opportunity, and the break below the support of the channel came, as well as the bears were also confirmed as they went below this very horizontal support level, but it didn't stay below for long as the bearish momentum was lacking, so it reversed steadily to end the week on some kind of neutral note. For the GBP AUD, I was looking at a break above this trend line as well as a break above this horizontal resistance level, which never came, so I let it go. And for the Euro AUD too, I was mostly looking at a break above the trend line, but it came very late to the week, so it was a trade which wasn't worth taking. For the coming week, we have the USDCHF, the CHFJPY, and the AUD/USD. Starting with the USDCHF, we can see a very long period of consolidation over 3 months or so, which formed a symmetrical triangle. Before the previous week ended, we went below the support of the symmetrical triangle, so it seems like the bears have their work cut out for them. But for the coming week, for bearish confirmation, we need to go below this very support level, which comes in at the 0.95880. This very level would be key as to whether the bears will go on with the fall or the bulls will take over. So this point is actually the breaking point or the reversal point. Now on to the partner of the USDCHF is the CHFJPY. They are partners because they are negatively correlated. Look, as the USDCHF was falling over here, the CHFJPY was also rising throughout the week. You can see that the CHFJPY is in a rising channel, and we will be looking for a breakout opportunity or a reversal opportunity at the resistance of the channel. Also, a further resistance comes in at the 112.382. It will be key to monitor the USDCHF and the CHFJPY's movement to strike a profitable trade. The trade idea would be to expect a reversal at this level or a breakout at this level to develop a bias. For the AUD/USD, we have a market that has been on a rise for a while now, but coming into last week, we can see this is the whole of last week's, the candlestick for last week. The candlesticks are contracting. That means the breakout is imminent, as the contraction has kept prices on the trend line, right above this trend line and right below this horizontal resistance level. So the price of the AUD/USD is confined within this trend line and this level, so it's just a breakout opportunity that we should be on the lookout for. One thing that we need to take note of is that in the early hours of Tuesday, the RBA will decide on an interest rate, and that may affect this pair very much. So as this is a breakout trading opportunity, the decision of the RBA is what will be really moving this pair. So it will just make sense to wait until after the decision is taken before attempting a trade on the AUD/USD, or some hours before the decision would be taken. The con of this trade idea is a false break either way, but one thing that we should be looking out for is a breakout either way as well. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week.